Good morning, my dear students of Standard 6. Myself Uma Vidushi, your English teacher, and this is the second video of your chapter Subject and Predicate. So dear students, today I am going to teach you types of subject. But before that, let's take a quick review what we have studied in our previous video. So the subject is the person, place or things that acts or is described in a sentence. Means the part of the sentence which tells us about a noun or pronoun, or that part of sentence on which the whole sentence depends is known as subject. Or we can say in very simple words that the doer of any action or the performer of any verb is known as subject. The next part or the second part or the remaining part of subject sentence is known as predicate. So predicate usually followed by the subject tells what the subject does. It is the action or the description that occurs in a sentence. It means that subject is the part of a sentence that tell us all about the subject. Now today we are going to learn about the different types of subject, and there are three types of subject. First is called simple subject. Now what is simple subject? So simple subject means when in a sentence there is a use of only one noun or a one pronoun. Means there is only one subject included in a sentence, that is known as simple sentence. As you can see here, Rina wants some cake. Baby is hungry. He was driving car. Now in this sentence, Ria wants some cake. Ria is the subject because this whole sentence is about Ria. And as you can see here that Ria is a singular noun and one subject, so it is simple subject. Baby is hungry. Baby is a common noun and it is also singular. And this sentence is telling about the condition or describing about the baby, what is the state of the baby, that the baby is hungry. So baby is simple subject. He was driving fast. Yesterday he was driving very fast, and he is a pronoun, masculine. It is used for a masculine noun. So he is also singular. So you observe that in these three sentences there is only one subject, one noun or one pronoun, that is known as simple subject. The next kind of subject is known as complete subject. Means when in a sentence a noun or a pronoun plus any modifier, and modifier can be anything like adverb, adjective or an articles. Though all those are modifiers, means which modifies noun or pronoun. So when in a sentence there is one subject, one noun, one pronoun, and it comes along with any modifier, then that subject is known as complete subject. Let's see the example. The black cat drank whole milk. Now as you can see in this sentence that the sentence is talking about a cat. The sentence is talking about cat. Cat drank whole milk, but not all the cat drank the milk. A specific, the black. Here black word is, the black is modifying the word cat. So the whole word will be together called complete subject. So all together the black cat all together will be called a subject, complete subject. The clouds in the sky are beautiful. Now again if you see in this sentence is all about the cloud. But it can be like the sky is beautiful or the clouds are beautiful. But if there is a sky is beautiful or the clouds is beautiful, then it will again become simple sentence. But here as you can see here that there is a cloud which is described by the sky and the article also. So the whole group of this word will be a subject, and it is called, and it comes under a complete subject. His big house is at Linking Road. Now in this sentence, house is a subject because the whole sentence is all about the house. But whose house? It is also describing in the sentence that it is talking about his house. What type of description more is given about house? That house is big. So any noun or pronoun which comes with its modifier or description, that all together will be called complete subject. So here his big house is a complete subject. Now the third and the last type of subject is called compound subject. Now what is compound subject? When there is two or more subject in a sentence joined by a conjunction. Now first of all understand what is conjunction. So conjunction is that part of a speech which use as a linking word. It joins two noun. It joins two name. Simply understand, it joins two name. In further chapter you will come to know more about conjunction like an, or, but. These all words are come under the head of conjunction. So when two or more subjects are joined by any conjunction. So when in a sentence there are more than two or more subjects. For example, Peter or Harry can win the show. Now here there are two now, Peter and Harry. Okay, and this sentence is talking about Peter also and Harry also. So these all will be considered as compound subject. Peter or Harry. This all will be considered as compound subject. Once again, take the another example. The cat and mouse are main character of this play. Now here in this sentence, it is all, the sentence is talking about the cat and the mouse. And these two nouns are joined with the conjunction and. So here there are two subjects, cat as well as mouse. So these both are called compound subject. Let's take one more example. She and I are going to the mall. She and I. She is a pronoun and I is also a pronoun. It is used for feminine and I is used for first person. And these both pronouns are joined with the conjunction and as you can see in this sentence, that this sentence is talking about, is describing about both the subject. She is going to the mall, I am going to the mall. So here it is talking about both the subjects. So these both subjects will together called complete sentence. So there are three types of subject. First is called simple sentence subject, second is called complete subject, and third is called compound subject. Simple sentence subject, those sentence which have only one noun or one pronoun as a subject. And next, complete sentence means when in a sentence there is a subject which comes with its modifier, either any adjective, any adverb, or even articles also. They are known as complete subject. And the last is known as compound subject, means when in a sentence there are more than two or more subjects which are joined by conjunction, any conjunctions or any linking words, they are known as compound subjects.